Alright, gents, it's your boys to Ratchats. So, in this video, gents, I'll be showing you how to trade what 714 method. You see? So, guys, if it is your first time here, please click that follow subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified next time I drop. So, guys, so this week I traded like silver bullet trading strategy. You see? So it gave me good results. I can say that five out of 5 days, guys, um, it was a win. I managed to catch almost all the trades on Silver Bullet. I mean, on 704 method. You see, why do I keep on saying Silver Bullet? This video is about 704 method, not Silver Bullet. Can you hear me? However, digest. Please comment down below what you think about this strategy. Rate the Silver 714 method strategy, guys, out of 10. Why do I keep on saying Silver Bullet, gents? Aye, man. I must cut my tongue out. So, what do you think about this strategy, gents? Is it nah or bad? Rate it out of 10, gents. You see. So, guys, I prefer trading this strategy on what? On NAS 100. Because that's where like it complies with my thing or my this strategy actually because it's perfect or it's much nicer. You see, so without wasting any time, let me just get into the video and show you how I trade it. How I personally trade it. I don't know about the other people, but then this is how I personally trade what 714 method. You see, if you like this video, please comment down below, gents. You see, so that like I can also get motivated like to post more content about these things or about trading. You see, so without wasting any time, gents, let me just show you how I trade it. You see. So let me just remove these things first. You see? Okay. So guys, first thing first, that I do when like I encounter this strategy or when I trade this strategy or this method, and I do what? I go to my what to my 5 minutes time frame. What will I be doing on my 5 minutes time frame? I will be looking at what trend actually. I will just show you real quick. Actually, first thing first, I take my vertical line like this. Ne? I mark my what? My 1 p.m. South African time and my 2 p.m. South African time. On what? On my 5 minutes time frame. Ne? 5 minutes time frame, you mark your what? You mark your 1 p.m. South African time and the 2 p.m. South African time. Just like this. You see, this is how easy it is. You see. So when it's like this, gents, you check the direction of the market between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. If the market is going down from 1 to 2, then what? We expect the market to go up from 2. You see, you expect the market to go up from 2, catching what the trade 1:2 risk reward ratio or 1:3. This is how simple is the strategy. You go to a 5 minute time frame, you mark what? 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. When the market is going down from 1 to 2, then from 2 you are going to buy. Or let's say the market is doing what? Or let's just say the market is going up from 1 to 2, the market is going up. You see? Then when the market is going up from 1 to 2, then from 2 you do what? You sell. Simple. You see? So, guys, this strategy is the easiest strategy of them all. If you don't know how to trade 714 method, I don't know, okay. But then this is how you should trade it. Okay. So how do you enter the market from 2? Because you cannot just enter the market same time. All you have to do on your 5 minutes time frame when you have identified that the market is going up or down, and sometimes the market can consolidate from 1 to 2. It can consolidate. When it consolidates, or like any other thing, gents, let me just show you real quick. When the market is like going up from 1 to 2, ne? You go to a 1 minute time frame. Let me just use like a blue color to indicate my 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, you go to one from 5 minutes time frame to what to 1 minute. From 2, you switch to what to 1 minute. You see, to do what to look for entries on a 1 minute. So let's just say the market was going up from 1 to 2 on a 5 minute time frame. Then you go to what to 1 minute time frame. You look for movement like this. You see. So what do we have over here? We have like a break of structure to the what? To the upside. Some of you can call it what? A liquidity sweep. But then let me just say what? A break of structure to the upside over here. Then what do we have here? A market structure shift. Followed by what? Here it can be a breaker block or a fair value gap, but then let me just say point of interest. You see? Also, if you don't know what is a fair value gap, what is an order block, I have videos about order blocks and fair value gaps. Go and check it out so that you can learn more about this entry model. When it's like this, you're going to place your what? Your cells here. Stop loss here. Targeting what? 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 RR or what? Or 1 is to 3. Sometimes it can even go further. But then let me just say 1 is to 3. Or 1 is to 2. You see? So when it's like this, you just place your trades like this. Then you wait for what? You wait for the market to do what? To tap you in, then drop. As simple as this, gents. So there's nothing like difficult here. Or even let's just say the market is consolidating like this. Even if the market is consolidating like this, you just wait for the same movement. Then you enter the market. You see? So let's just say like the market was from 1 to 2, it was going well down. Let's just say the market from 1 to 2 was going down like this. The market was going down from 1 to 2. Then when it's 2 p.m., you go to what? To 1 minute time frame. You look for a movement like this. What do you have here? Liquidity sweep or break of structure to the downside. Ne? After having this, what do we have here? Market structure shift. Followed by what? Followed by your point of interest here, somewhere here. That's where you're going to enter what? Your market or the market. Pa. Stop loss here below this low, targeting what? 1 is to 2. And then, oh, 1 is to 3. Like this. Then the market is going to do something like this. Take you in, then boom. TP hit. As simple as this, Digents. So this is how you trade this strategy or this method. You see, so far, guys, what do you think about the video? Is it nah or what? Just tell me down there in the comments. And also, don't forget to like this video. Because you guys will look at this video, but then you don't like. I don't know why. Just like and comment, guys, and give your thoughts about this method. Or is this method working for you or what? Is it working for you? Or yeah, you see. So let's go into what our live chat so that I can show you some quick examples. You see. Let me just remove these things real quick so that I can show you guys. Which strategies do you want me to cook next? Okay, let me bring back the bad boys. Okay, okay, cool. You see, here's another example over here. You see, so I'm going to start like use 5 trades that way people took this week. You see, okay, trade number 1, it was on Monday, the 25th of 19th of May, actual 2025. Ne? The market was consolidating on my 5 minute time frame from what? From 1 to 2. Then immediately from 2, you go to 1 minute time frame and you check those things that I told you about. Then boom, trade 1 to 3 RR, TP hit. Ne? Then this is Tuesday. Tuesday, you can see that the market was what? The market was going up. From 1 to 2, the market was going up. Ne? Then from 2, what did it do? The market went down. Just like this, gents. You see? So far, how many trades? 2 out of 5 trades. All hit TP, 2 out of 5. Let's calculate another one. Okay? This one, the market was going up from 1 to 2. After going up from 1 to 2, let's check. It's just so you entered the market here. Stop loss. Here. Yeah, 1 is to 3 RR. Day number 3, TP hit. 3 out of 5. So yeah, this one was what? Thursday. From 1 to 2, the market was doing what? Was going down. Then from 2, what did it do? It bought. Simple. Then Friday. Yeah, then on Friday, the market was going down from 1 to 2, as you can see. The market was going down just like this. After going down like this, from 2, you go what? You go to 1 minute time frame. See, you go to what? To 1 minute time frame. Okay, here's my 1 minute time frame. Then what do we have over here? We have a break of structure to the downside. But then what? It did not break our. Let me show you real quick. You see, we have what? I man. Where the break of structure to the downside, but then did not break our high. You see, then we have another break of structure to the downside over here. But then it did not what? It did not break our high. And then lastly, we have this break of structure over here. This break of structure, guys, it broke our what? It broke our high over here. You see? Then for our point of interest, we are going to use what? This fair value gap. This AVG is our what? Is our point of interest. So as you can see that the market what tapped us in over here. That's where you're going to enter your trades. Remember, your stop loss was going to be here, targeting what? 1:3 or 1:2. 1:2 over here, then what? 1:3 over here. Something like this. So eventually your TP hit in just like minutes, guys. So this is how easy is the strategy. Or you can even like hold the trade. Check. Let me remove myself. Check. Gents, the strategy is too much. This thing is too much. 704 method is too much. You see? This is how easy is the strategy that, guys. So if you want more videos like this, please turn on the notification bell and also do what? Like this video and subscribe so that you can get notified next time I drop. So guys, if you want to join my what? My free community, click the link on my bio or description, YouTube description or bio, so that you can get into my free what? Free community where I will be sharing setups daily. You see? So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you on the other side. I really appreciate you being here today, you see. And also for those who like the video, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Your like counts. You see.